Baby, you see natural in Thailand, very wonderful and very big hotel around here. Right now, location is Kalim near Patong Bridge. Very wonderful. Have many shop. But buy some food here. Can don't have to more people and very private zone. You see, very beautiful hotel. นะคะ allow here very beautiful. If you want to come to Thailand, you can to come in Phuket because I'm stay here. Bye bye.